Today, we will learn how to say animal names in English.
Yes, let's have fun together.
This is a dog. Can you say dog?
Dog.
This is a cat. Can you say cat?
Cat.
Good job, Fitbit.
You too, Malgoon.
Yeah! What's that? That's an elephant. This is a rabbit. Can you say rabbit? Rabbit! This is a monkey. Can you say monkey?
Monkey.
They're birds! They are birds! This is a mouse. Mouse. Where is the lion?
Here. This is a lion. Bye-bye to friends from Malgoon Pig School.